Computer. Recording in progress. Nah ya, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kita ulangin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. How are you today?
I'm fine, good.
Alhamdulillah.
Before we start the presentation, I will say thanks to Mr. Iris about the chance for our okay. And before we begin our presentation, let me introduce our team. My name is Eman Priyono, and my friend is Rivaldi and Raffi. Okay, I would like to give a presentation about tourism. We were going to start from the table of content. Kok nggak bisa geser ya? Ini. Oke. Okay, the table of content, number 1 is Indonesian tourism. Number 2 is component of tourism. Number 3 is tourism competitiveness improvement. And the last, number 4, is halal tourism. Let me move on to Indonesia tourism. This is the fact is Jokowi's government is pushing for a short visit visa-free policy for 169 countries according to UNWTO. The policy makes Indonesia the 7th country in the world, as well as the 4th country in Asia Pacific, and even become the first country in Southeast Asia regarding to the easy of visa regime for foreign tourism visit. Let me move on to the data. You can read the kata data about pariwisata andalan penghasil devisa. This is the meaning is about tourism is andalan penghasil devisa ya. Okay, this is data from the Ministry of Tourism 2018 shows that since 2013 the tourism sector has occupied the 4th position after oil and gas, coal and palm oil. As foreign exchange earner, President Joko Widodo has given the direction to promote 10 national tourist destinations, often referred to as 10 New Bali Indonesia. Taking the slogan "Wonderful of Indonesia," this sector is also being promoted in such a way using a skillful branding conception. The government deliberately held several prestigious events at the world level as a strategic step that seems very telling. Okay, let's move to what is the tourism. What is the tourism? From UNWTO is a United Nations World Tourism Organization, said tourism is a social, cultural, and economic phenomenon which entail the movement of people to countries or places outside their usual environment for personal or business or personal purpose. This is from UNWTO. The meaning of about tourism. Okay, the next number 2 is component of tourism. Component of tourism is a 4. The first is tourism object and attraction. That's everything that is the target of tourism. And the second is facility of accommodation. Facility and accommodation. What is the facility and accommodation? Is a place for tourists to stay temporarily. For example, maybe hotels, and then guest house, and then villa and other. And the third, food service and restaurant is the industry engaged in food and beverage, which is a managed commercial. For example, maybe oleh-oleh khas ya, oleh-oleh khas in the destination of tourism. And the last is transportation service. Business field engaged in transportation managed by the state of or private sector. Maybe it's a travel, agent travel, yeah, and the other. Now, the thema of number 3, maybe Rivaldi, you can present this thema. Yes,
Okay.
please.
Thank you, Mr. Eman. I can do next presentation. And point 3, tourism competitive improvement. And tourism competitive, the definition of a country competitive is tourism is the ability to attract tourist visit. Next, and to point tourism competitive. Point 1, tourism destination development is directed at increasing the attractive of tourist destination so that they can compete domestically and abroad, seperti apa yang dituju, seperti liburan yang dituju pantai, entah itu apa yang ada di Papua, Raja Ampat dan selainnya. And point 2, tourism marketing is directed at increasing international tourist comparison and bringing in as many foreign tourist visit as possible, including regional tourist market, seperti mempromosikan melalui pariwisata di Indonesia dengan Kementerian Pariwisata, lalu dengan hubungan kinerja antar luar negeri, sesama negara, seperti itu yang dimaksud dengan poin 2. And then point 3, development of the tourism industry is directed at increasing the participation of local business in the national tourism industry and increasing the diversity of competitive of national tourist product or service in each tourism destination. That is the focus of marketing. Mereka wilayah sekitar fokus kepada UMKM dan pemerintah pun juga fokus kepada UMKM wilayah sekitar seperti buah tangan atau handmade sektor industri. Lalu point 4, tourism institutional development is directed at building tourism, human resource, and national tourist organisasi. Seperti kebudayaan organisasi yang ada di Indonesia itu di tempat pariwisatanya, seperti contoh ambil pariwisata di Bali, mereka mempunyai tari pisak dan makanan khas Bali. Itu poin-poin dari tourism competitive improvement. The next presentation, maybe Raffi.
Thank you, Mr. Eman and Mr. Rivaldi. I will continue the presentation about halal tourism. Halal tourism is a specific branch of tourism aimed Halal tourism is a specific branch of tourism aimed towards people of the Muslim faith. It involves travel to halal-friendly destinations. Indonesia managed to grab the top Muslim-friendly destination of the year 2023 in the Mastercard Crescent Rating Global Muslim Travel Index 2023 in Singapore, which is an improvement from last year's second place.
Maybe ada tambahan?
No, nothing.
Halal tourism is one of sector to development from Ministry of Tourism in Indonesia. The Indonesian government is focus in the halal tourism development. Okay, this is the wonderful Indonesia. We hope Indonesian are semakin maju dalam mengembangkan industri pariwisatanya, the tourism industry. Yes, maybe Raffi, can you close the presentation?
Okay, that's all from our presentation. If you guys have any question, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anyone. Thank you, Miss Iris. See you next time. To Raffi and Rivaldi, see you next time, okay?
See you, Mr. Eman.
Oke. Oke, saya tutup ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ciao.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.